Right, fantastic morning. And Raso said, "Ya good mon some tower to another pay will be drum so said picture Marco Kensi. And some of the Bibrilla, yes, a fantastic out in ye. Now, ya can't say no, Makubi, the Sia Concon, the Brewan of Pabia. And of course, Franco Trading Enterprise, Brunyeba, what to be Biachi will be a Franco. And you want to your papa, Samson, a check pan ye, and it was all form. And Black Friday about Franco, say Friday Biano at the 10 year man, so who already know, you have to so that yes, not so a further 40%. So, I bear phone be our person to bit me at all. Nothing sure, air conditioned, fridge, speakers, television. The opposite to Biano, what me to not be sweating me a quay way, and a Franco home commodia and a dear bar. Franco trading shops, a whole draw by Bia or Ghana by Biano, Obo Raha, Natchez Aquambia, Swako, for full of 4. Wala natural mineral water. Then Munsuka can no Munsua ya pochoso. No Munsua wujidi say wudi ni muno ya kwako yeju mapapa wo mwanye nsua. Kudus Muhammad ne the day you mobile and so muda okrogen wala natural mineral water me sponsor no pay. Amake home here in some idea bro. Kejo na kasani Erica see do body e be shase na here feel the UEFA Nations League. I know to say yes and na interesting pa results out there ba so yen go through the results na yen rest I want some AC at Okopimwa, it was Portugal and Croatia game, both teams to score boy over 1.5 boy. Poland, Scotland, Ecuador, no Serbia, and then my game will be Shabi Spain, about Switzerland by 3-2. Kosovo, Lithuania, and Kosovo and Tennessee, Kosovo, Etimia Rini, a historic win over Lithuania. Now, Romania and Cyprus, so Ecuador 4-1, Bulgaria and Belarus 1-1. Luxembourg, Northern Ireland, Edeshio 2-2, Liechtenstein. San Marino so en winning game. So San Marino be kwa way akwashe nsi but no mo history they ko che Liechtenstein about the come here Liechtenstein eti ekamu ba koral. Say na officials no see here for today here what the Nations League in Hungary and in Germany and Montenegro and Turkey, Albania and Ukraine and officials in Czech Republic and Georgia, Wales and Iceland. And a ball to channel South America UEFA Nations League. Now, you for MEP more the AFCON 2025 qualifiers for Africa. Now, you can't say no. Say 2025 be could be seen could be na bua kamudada. So the last game, yeah, body up pay anyone money so at the team winning kakra against Niger. Now Niger Ghana also wait me qualify because now the other game so cause no nim the BC money at the match the more day. But repete we you know na this AFCON campaign no ya ending no ya win back kura mfankyere esa na okokopie mu Craspo Stadium nra 2-1 against Ghana, right? And so 2-1 and Niger share Ghana in the other game. Now Sudan also trade draw with Angola. The Sudan coach Kwesiapia agadium to the AFCON and then na nyasa nketo akra bekosa and so many more. Coach Otuado, head coach for the Black Stars at the Chop Passion Kwama Ghana for say go to Jogu form. I apologize.
Really, I would like to apologize for the results. Very much. If I have a wish, one wish, I know for a lot of people, even the World Cup is bigger than the AFCON. For me personally, the AFCON is bigger. For me personally, it's just a personal thing. I know for a lot of people, it's more important to go to the World Cup, and I did it once. And I'm just saying, after I did it for the World Cup, before even I came, a lot of people were against me. I can show you hundreds things, my friends, but nobody apologized afterwards. Not some few, not a lot. This is the first one, but I am ready to apologize very, very much. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry that we didn't do well and we didn't qualify. I'm very sorry. This one, 100%. I really have to apologize because I know how much it means for every Ghanaian to play in this tournament. I know it. Don't get me wrong.
Toado and Ode and Samsa Echo Adriano. Na at the same press conference, you say chairman and resign. Now the two said that beyond ne DNA mudie resignation no nim sad na ye. So ya DNA chia say I get no hono asan pejesi wo. Tinya resignation sem. When is a video no hono beti me about the CC ato aso. And he also there na ye be ko Niger head coach Baduzaki. And the 2-1 winner or winning over Ghana no atos and yes so chire mu say na Ghana difference no etokro dem so no mutiminya sa 2-1 no.
If you want to be, let's say, a footballer, a professional, you will never give up. You fight, you work hard. You work even if you fall down 10 times, you stand up and you stand up the 11th time and then you do it. This is how I made it. It's not like I came up and I made it as a professional. And the same as a coach. As a coach, it's not like, oh, somebody will just give you anything for granted, a badge. You have to work hard, you have to have teams, you have to work with them, you have to surely get results, which were not there, 100%. This is my responsibility, no one else. And surely you will fall down as a coach. I can give you a lot of examples. And I think you were also talking about somebody who was talking about the club. I was playing up under him. We went down with mines. From first to second, and then we came up again. It's not like everything goes like this. No, his first years in Dortmund, 2 years.
Right, Coach Otuado, or say resign. Somebody there be on or by Yamana. So Otimus. But there's an emergency meeting, the Executive Council of the Ghana Football Association, Ebeko, na Omashe, Nedachi, na Resort, Nasa, or Court, Roberto Aso, the Abo, the World Cup qualifiers. Now, you can sign on a coach, the manager, Badu Saki, on a Sunday.
Team of Ghana, they are suffering last 2 years, not team which we know, not the Brazilian, African Brazilian. And today, even we perform very good, even we win our victory, not the qualification, not in our hand. We should fight the match against Sudan and Angola. But the important to do our job. We don't regret anything. We don't feel regret if Sudan lose against Angola. I can congratulate my players of the 2 last matches, what they do. They perform good, they show to everybody they can go far. But you know, in the football, when you miss some matches, we pay.
Right, Coach Adema Nigerian Samodi Etuja. Now, the president of the Ghana Football Association, Racket Okrekuso, and the Biabatum, said a chopa, Nessa, a chopa, and Oriel Brofono from the highest height of world football on the 29th of March 2022 to the lowest ebb of AFCON qualifying matches. My heart bleeds. Definitely, this is not what we want or what we bargained for. At this point, only cool heads can win, and we, as leaders of our sports, will stay together, be honest with ourselves, and fix this problem. The road to full recovery after normalization is definitely bumpy and rough, but our collective efforts and patience will win, and Ghana, our beloved country, will win. As a Black Stars fan and as the leader, I share in your pain and our pain. We will rise from this temporary setback. It shall be well. The man, courteous of Kreku, like I said, Kwambiaso no person say a chopper and go to Jegu form. That Ghana for started to Jagumpa near there. You send the other resource a copy more in the other games. Now, Malawi, Burkina Faso, Sankro for Betty, Bassa. Burkina Faso, oh, Senyama. Libya, Benin, Obia Shebi, Nigeria, Tifie, Rwanda, Kobono, Nigeria qualify. Sudan, Angola, 0-0, Ghana, Mahiratra. Comoros, Madagascar by a goal to nil. Comoros, Vimano, Dane, Tunisia, the Gambia, Kobono back, who I went to me here, and Morocco, Eche, Lesotho, born in soon, Morocco, ne host nation, but also the ball qualifies Libya. Watch one show. I'm going to this one for the World Cup. Yes, a man more, Morocco's member. Or born competitive when yes, I grow. Central African Republic, Gabon, Ebono Kabakwa. One to me and TNT, no ne, Sunny Honsam, so Siatia, Ewo, and no more. Now, you share how the group no Eluki Sabri after the last round of games in the AFCON. Say the way, Ghana rate -4 goals. Wow. Now, that's been the next 20 years. You know, baby said that denies it to 2025 for the Yankobi. Group Benny and Yamu, I ain't qualify. Mr. Menana, Yani Sudan, Yani Angola, Yani Niger, Menana be me hoyapa. As an national sports journalist. Now, Motewa, man can hear my papa be good to me. Patro Yari, a 3 near Timiania. You did draw the back from us. Ready a beco. Yanya be any Angola beco. Ya Dania Diano. Kaki to me can eject record. I read 3. Yan winning match back or draws me and son. I can see it in Ketoa. Oh, shh. Tuado, Ajumanede. Now, Yansha, teams are qualified for the AFCON. Morocco as host nation, Burkina Faso, Tinia Bonnet 3, Cameroon, Algeria, DR Congo, Senegal, Egypt, Angola, Equatorial Guinea, Cote d'Ivoire, Gabon, Uganda, South Africa, Tunisia, Nigeria, Zimbabwe, Zambia, Mali. Zambia coach Jevram Grant, your former coach, that you qualify. And Sudan, your former coach, that you qualify. Interesting. Mali, Comoros, Sudan, Benin. 3 more teams to go. Nice. I heard something on some so say one of the qualify. So far, 21 teams. You have 3 more games, and as the teams now can be asked to team qualify at the Ako PM. Now Black Friday or Franco Trading Enterprise go so called Black Friday. The be a person Tobiano is already a part-time piano free the anakoto. At least we further 40%. And yes, I'm getting to be a mobile phone, air condition, speakers, television from 32 inches to 86 inches. To me, that's we say 82 inches. I can be say bully. As a me jina or them more. To make matter them such shall correct for TV nim. Franco Trading Enterprise, a TV no. Come on. Ya for your weather no. Oh, air condition no we na your weather na send it no. Air condition be sonny shoe. Air condition be a minim. Be bia na sonny shoe. Nya no bia Franco air condition papa. Here come Black Stars and 70 Manuel Ajiman Barude Kanika, former Ghanaian international, Medfield Hodio Bu, Niania Dia, or in some Tuja, Efa, and Semi Abai, one Ghanaian to be unqualified.
In some way, in our Tuja, Wabla causes Champions League. Ye define another win time so on a watching we, our during Gano, Agropama Kessianoso, I want Cran Hanum, Saken Sikesi, teams are 96, and the Kabu Mua chassis, in Kakrankra. Yes, on this wa. Ebeka 9, you almost je penny de pim so. Semi-final soon to Javi Yano. Na Stars of Lakeside. And a Mambos, and a dear Poswa. I can't say no more yet, pa. It be a berry yano. Na Stars of Lakeside. Edim Kunime Kabakwa. Mambos for and to me ante.
And we need to support such initiatives, whether you are here or you are here. And it's a great thing. And wherever he is doing something like that, or wherever someone is doing something that is sports, I will be there to help him. And let's congratulate him. He has done a great job.
The parliamentary candidate, Edma MPP Amanyo Kuno, a Wadentine constituency. Ayakosu asa menu, Kozi, na dodo na defreno. Ono no she says argument kese ya Champions League. Omanfo kabo mu a eba so kama.
96 teams have been involved from the get-go. Every champion from every electoral area met here today. And what we've seen as an exciting tournament over a 2-day period. I envisage that this is going to be the having of great things to come within the Adentan constituency. As I told them earlier, I'm going to continue to do this.
Yeah, cost so you manage my body to draw about or near Koko Econji home and do to say yes tournament and echo ye, not in some to just the players here young most tournaments as the protection for the future and while natural mineral water while I can one penny in some bro walla natural mineral water. Okay, baby, yeah, tonsua, no besides on walla, only walla, no, yes, serious on one pie or no allow, on allow also one no more walla, a walla natural mineral water. Sergio Manucho. Bernard Padibutri AM producers. Yes. Na we are baba near the Pretoria can see about some CC were chili be down. And Ning now so bebro, Raka, Crabby, Comu, Tuado Cra, Ewa Crash Sports Stadium. And Ning now bebro, and every Ewo, I can see. So, me fear pet, now you said, the Pomudion some near one. We are the Akag near Bass and Aqua, and say, I was a penmony, I didn't have to also need to pan there. Yeah, not the Nankasaka Kijwaro. I reckon see you body. Because I have